Michael from Austin has a question about a cabin building.
He's building a new one.
Well,
Michael writes, we want a cabin for my ranch. It's going to be about 900 square feet, Tom. He says, my question is a Mueller steel building better than a wood frame building? The wood frame, he said, he'd probably cover with brick or stone. He could probably do the same thing with a Mueller building.
Oh, there's no doubt. Metal buildings can be covered with veneered stone, with veneered brick. You can get all kinds of styles. And you see the Mueller people, go see them, and they'll show you all kinds of different techniques and different buildings they've done. But is one better than the other? I'm going to tell you no. If they're both done well, I think it is going to be perfectly fine. Mm-hmm. But, you know, for ranch type of places out on your ranches or your land, the Mueller steel buildings are really a nice way to go because it goes quickly as far as getting the structure up. Mm-hmm. And the longevity of it's going to be great. And you can get any look you want. In fact, sometimes it's a better look than a wood frame. But whatever you do, just do it well, and I'm good with it. And you can have the brick stone on wood as well as steel.
There you go. So
that's it.
Tom is clearly on the fence at that ranch of yours.
Yes.
Just look for him on top of a post somewhere. And you can look for his answers right here on YouTube using the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it just like these videos over yonder. And you subscribe to our channel, we'll tell you when there's a new one.